hours. Has lunch in school at 12 noon, up to 12 it's same. But here you can see is back from school at 2:45 p.m. When it is p.m., we need to convert it. How we do it? We add 12 to the given time. Given time is 2:45 p.m. We add 12 to it. We get 14:45. This is the time in 24-hour clock. Then has dinner at 8 p.m. Adding 12 to 8, we get 20 hours. Goes to sleep at 9:30 p.m. Adding 12 to 9:30. Adding, we have time 9:30 and we add 12 to it. Nothing is to be done with minutes, only 12 is to be added to hours. So 30 will be as it is, and 12 plus 9 is 21. That means goes to sleep at 21:30 hours. Question number 2 is the time at which few flights leave New Delhi airport are given in 24-hour clock. Convert the time into 12-hour clock. Here we have been given question 2 just reverse of question 1. Here the time was given in 12-hour clock and we converted it to 24-hour clock. Here the time has been given in 24-hour clock and we have to convert it into 12-hour clock. So here you can see these are the names of the flights. From New York, Delhi to New York, the time of departure from New Delhi airport is 1:30 a.m. When it is 1:30 hours, when the given time is less than 12, then the time is same, only hours will be replaced by am. If the given time is less than 12, then the time remains same, only hours is converted to am. Like in B part you can see the departure time is 2:40. It's again less than 12, so time is same 2:40 am. Third one is Delhi to London 5:30 hours. Again it is less than 12, so it is written as it is, only hours is replaced by ams. Then we have 18:35. This is more than 12, so we subtract 12 from it. When we subtract 12, nothing is to be done with minutes, only 12 is to be subtracted from 18. 35 will remain as it is. We know 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the time is 6:35 p.m. 6:35 p.m. So what we have done, we have converted here 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Here we need to keep in mind, if the given time is less than 12, then nothing is to be done, only hours is to be replaced by am. But if the given time is more than 12, then 12 is to be subtracted from the given time. This was all from this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.